Hello viewers. Today I am here at Betikram Master with a new live session with Pooja Khemka ma'am. She is very pretty and she is the owner of Golden Window. She is the president of Mahila Mangal and she is a style icon. कौन खूबसूरत नहीं लगना चाहता बताइए. हम सभी खूबसूरत लगना चाहते हैं, खूबसूरत अंदर से, खूबसूरत बाहर से. ये लॉकडाउन का समय थोड़ा सा डिफ़िकल्ट है, फिर भी खूबसूरती तो खूबसूरती है ना. हम जब अंदर से खूबसूरत फील करते हैं तो दुनिया खूबसूरत से लगने लगती है. सो आइए हम आज आपको मिलाते हैं ऐसे ही एक बहुत ही सुंदर पर्सनालिटी से. वो एक स्टाइल आइकन है. वो हमें इस शो के दौरान बहुत सारे स्टाइलिंग टिप्स देंगी जो मेरे लिए, हम सब के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होगा. सो प्लीज़ लेट मी टेक दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू इंट्रोड्यूस विथ यू Pooja Khemka. Hello ma'am, how are you today?
Hi, I'm good and it's good to be with Betikram. It's my first experience with all of you and I've heard such good words about your group. Glad to be here.
Thank you so much for your valuable time. We all know you are so busy. You are associated with so many organizations and you are so busy. So thank you so much. It's really
just
an
trying to bring a balance about everything in life. That's it.
We are very much excited. हम बहुत सारे styling tips सीखेंगे आज आपसे.
Definitely.
Yeah.
I'm going to share whatever I can at least with you.
Okay. So हम पहले ही आपसे ये जानना चाहते हैं कि पूजा खेमका, सब हम आपको जानते हैं, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग आपको जानते हैं एज ए स्टाइलिंग आइकन. आपका फैशन डिज़ाइनर हो, आप महिला मंगल की प्रेसिडेंट हो. सो थोड़ा सा आपका जर्नी थोड़ा सा हमारे साथ शेयर करें. कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ आपका सब कुछ?
Well, I'm actually from Coimbatore and I've been married now in Guwahati for last 14 years. 14 साल हो गए हैं शादी के and my husband was very encouraging from the beginning about having my own space in terms of business, as in he was like, if you have a dream, please pursue it. And that's how it's all started. We started Golden Window about 6 years back. I wasn't sure as to go to actually understand how to launch the brand in Guwahati, because there were so many people who were into imitation category, and then we started tying up with different designers across India, and we started showcasing their work in Guwahati. And that was a super success because we were different. Each designer had a different concept. Somebody used Swarovski, somebody used silver, somebody used zircons. So there was a lot of elements that was there in our designs, and the whole thing started off so well that not just in Guwahati, we started getting recognition even abroad.
Okay.
So we started shipping abroad. We started shipping all over India, and that was like so encouraging in just the beginning of the career itself.
Okay, it's wonderful ma'am. You are an international brand itself. It's really wonderful. So we will continue our conversation with ma'am. So just let me thank to our sponsor once. So our sponsors are India Tourism, Incredible India, MGI Group, Spectrum Adventure is our knowledge partner, Illumis Aesthetic Clinic, Everyday Salt, Amolik by Sweta Bagaria. And you can see this whole session and our earlier sessions also in our Facebook page, that is in the name of Betikram Group, and we are also available in YouTube, that is in the name of Betikram Digital. So again we will start our conversation with Pooja Khemka ma'am. So ma'am, as you said about Mahila Mangal, so can you please tell what is that Mahila Mangal and what are you doing for this?
So Mahila Mangal is supposed to be one of the most reputed and niche groups of Guwahati, of Marwari ladies. We are about 70 to 80 top families associated with Mahila Mangal, and we are dedicated to do good service and charity work. So as a team together, we every year plan a couple of projects which gets executed, which is in the benefit of society, which is in terms of education, sanitization, even women hygiene. There is a lot of work which is done for the upliftment of society. During the Shraddh, Shukal Paksh, they distribute food. So there's so much that Mahila Mangal does, and our we hold an exhibition every year in the name of Parampara, which is the awaited the city, as in people from neighboring states also drop in to shop from that exhibition. It's very beautiful, and we have more than whopping 5,000 people on an average a day coming to see that exhibition. So that is about Mahila Mangal, and I'm currently the president for the same.
Okay, that's really wonderful, ma'am. Mahila Mangal. I want to give you like something. So viewers, मैं ये मैम को देना चाहूँगी. ये हमारा मास्क है जो we have made this in association with India Tourism, Incredible India. So this is a pure cotton mask.
That's nice.
सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट है इस मास्क का जिसको बनाया है अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड लेडीज़ ने. बहुत ही कम रेट में ये मार्केट में अवेलेबल है. और सबसे बड़ी बात है जो हमारा जो वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट का ट्रेनिंग सेंटर चल रहा है इन द एसोसिएशन विथ इंडिया टूरिज्म एंड व्यतिक्रम ग्रुप. सो अंडर प्रिविलेज जो लेडीज़ है उनको हम ये कपड़ा प्रोवाइड करते हैं. तो उनका जो डेली नीड है इससे ये लोग फुलफ़िल कर पाते हैं. उनको एक डेली हिसाब से उनको इसका पैसा मिलता है. तो ये उनके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल है. ये मास्क प्योर कॉटन है, बहुत ज़्यादा यूजर फ्रेंडली है. तो आप लोग प्लीज़ इसको ये अवेलेबल है आर्ट फेड में, देख सकते हैं. सो मैम दिस इज़ फॉर यू.
थैंक यू सो मच.
हमारा एक छोटा सा कैलेंडर जो आप अपनी शॉप पे आपके वर्किंग टेबल पे ये प्लीज़ रखिएगा.
तो
बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
थैंक यू सो मच.
सो व्यूअर्स, अगेन वी विल स्टार्ट आवर कन्वर्सेशन विथ मैम. सो मैम, आपको पहले कब लगा कि मुझे फैशन इंडस्ट्री में आना चाहिए और क्यों आना चाहिए?
Well, I'm on the plus side, and I was really hunting for stuff for my own self. I love to wear nice clothes and nice accessories, and Guwahati was a place where things were not easily available, or probably whatever was available was some things that it didn't approve with my taste palette. So I started with my own stuff, and as in how people started seeing me wearing, they started getting associated, saying that we want you to make this for us, and that's how the whole journey started as a designer. And of course, I'm a self-learned person. I haven't actually trained into fashion designing, but then curating for now 6 years, I have a keen eye for what can be the new trend. And also I kind of know what should do well with most of the faces, most of the body types. So it's a lot more easier now to understand what a woman wants from me.
As you mentioned this thing, curating. So when we learn, like when हम जब भी देखते हैं पूजा खेमका का प्रोफाइल, so ये चीज़ आता है. So what is that curating and curator?
So curating, what happens is, now there are a lot of designers across India who've started probably on a very large scale also and on a small scale also. So you basically identify those designers, and then you start from their designs. There could be just 20 designs which would click with your market. Okay, not maybe they may have 200, 400 designs. But then these 20 designs, 30 designs will actually sell in Guwahati, because knowing the face type, the body type of Guwahati, so like a lot of women, they're on the petite side. So I cannot keep picking up something which is extremely bold. So like if I would say my earring today is extremely bold, but this may not be able to carry by someone who's got a very smaller face, So you know what the market is, you understand what is easy for them to style, and you know what is like most sellable with the kind of body type they have. And that is what is a curator does. She identifies good designer, she curates from their designs, and she then showcases it to their customers or clients.
Okay.
This is what the...
Okay, ma'am. That's nice. And what do you think that like how social media is working in this fashion industry?
Well, social media is doing a fantastic job. Today we are digitally connected with the best of design houses across India, which is like amazing. Now if digital market was not available to me, I would not have been able to ship to a lot of other cities and abroad. So digital market is absolutely a great platform to be in. Yeah, of course there are pitfalls, like you get copied too soon, what your business strategy that has been out, like whatever curation you've done, all of that your competitors know, and they try to copy you. But then that's okay, they can just copy you, they cannot actually be you, so that is the most important part of the whole thing.
Okay. हम ये जानना चाहते हैं कि मैम जैसे अभी भी आप सक्सेसफुल हो, आपका ब्रांड पूजा खेमका itself is a brand. सब आपको जानते हैं एज ए फैशन डिज़ाइनर, एज ए ज्वेलरी डिज़ाइनर। सब जब आप इस इंडस्ट्री में आई तो सबसे बिगेस्ट फेयर क्या था, क्या हो सकता है? आई शुड नॉट आस्क द नेगेटिव वन, स्टिल लाइक अपकमिंग डिज़ाइनर्स आर कमिंग, फॉर देम at least.
I don't think so. One should anytime have fear in their heart when they're moving forward. If you are convinced about your business idea and you have your total heart into it and your passion into it, I'm sure you'll be successful. So I don't think so. Fear should be the one which should demotivate you. You need to actually find your own inspiration every day and move forward.
Exactly. So, what is the favorite part of yours about this designing?
My favorite part?
Yeah.
So, okay, I love meeting new people every day. So, I remember once telling to my husband, and I was like, Vikash, I should get into a hobby where I actually get to meet new people every day and I could just, sit and chill, have coffee with them. So, this is one of my favorite part, that every day I only do 2 appointments and there is someone, a new face who turns up to the store and we actually sit and have coffee, we have a conversation, we get to know a different perspective on life. So, that's interesting, yeah.
Okay. Like कैसे करती है मैम आप? लाइक कोई भी आता है ना, जैसे कोई भी आया, मैं आई आपके पास कुछ डिज़ाइन करना है, तो कौन सा क्या क्या देखती है आप, उसके अंदर क्या क्या चीज़ें आप देखती हो, क्या कैसे डिज़ाइन करती हो, कुछ अलग सा?
So, well, now supposing if you've come to me, first I have to understand what is the occasion that you're looking for, what kind of a gathering would be, how like how fashion conscious are you, are you going to be able to carry a lot of styles that I can suggest you, so once we understand the profiling of the customer, then accordingly we show them the designs, as in this is the kind of lehenga that is in trend, or these are the crop tops and skirts that you can team up, or probably crop top or dhoti pants or whatever. There's so many styles today available, so all of that can work out very well depending on what is the client's requirement.
Okay. So ऐसा भी हुआ होगा आपके साथ कभी भी कोई डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन या फिर कोई फनी सा सिचुएशन?
There was just one in my entire career where a client was unhappy. Apart from that, I've never had unhappy clients. I've had, touchwood, blessed clients.
Not exactly unhappy client, वो तो पूछ नहीं, वो तो सभी प्रोफेशन में होता है। एक कोई भी फनी सा इंसिडेंट ऐसा कुछ अब डिजाइनिंग के टाइम ऐसा कुछ आपको याद आ रहा है?
No, not really.
तो फिर कोई द बेस्ट वन जो आप हमेशा याद रखते हो?
Well, designing for each customer is an experience by itself. I think the best one comes when I design for someone, say like my mom especially, because she really loves whatever I wear, whatever I kind of design for her. So that's more special. Because I remember when I was a child, she used to design my clothes. And मेरे बच्चा को ये ड्रेस पहना दो, मेरे लिए ऐसा बनवा दो, ये खरीदना है, वो खरीदना है. So now that when I can do it for her, that gives me a lot of happiness.
That's really nice. So your mom is basically your inspiration.
Oh yes, okay. She is definitely.
Okay. That's very nice. So viewers, she was Pooja Khemka ma'am. So we will again बहुत सारी बातें करेंगे हम उनके साथ, मैम के साथ. सो एक बार फिर से मैं अपने स्पॉन्सर्स को थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगी. हमारे स्पॉन्सर से इंडिया टूरिज़्म, इनक्रेडिबल इंडिया, MGI ग्रुप, स्पेक्ट्रम एडवेंचर इज़ आवर नॉलेज पार्टनर, इल्यूमिस एस्थेटिक क्लिनिक, एवरीडे सॉल्ट, अमोलिक बुटीक बाय श्वेता बगाड़िया. सो मैम, जैसे कि आप ज्वेलरी डिज़ाइनिंग में भी एक्सपर्ट हो, सभी जानते हैं नॉर्थ ईस्ट स्टाइलिंग के हिसाब से बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है. ऑल आर स्टाइलिस्ट ओवर हियर नॉर्थ ईस्ट. मेघालय है, अरुणाचल है, या फिर कोई भी स्टेट. सो ज्वेलरी डिज़ाइन का इतना वो नहीं है यहाँ पे, लोग इतना नहीं जानते. ज्वेलरी डिज़ाइन अभी तक बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर नहीं हुआ है. डिज़ाइनर्स की ज्वेलरी पहनते हैं हम लोग, ऐसा नहीं है, फिर भी ये थोड़ा सा पीछे है अभी तक. इसके लिए आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
In terms of, I would agree with that in terms of accessories, Northeast is not that fashion forward right now. So now what happens is with Bollywood coming in place, you want to look at, when you're looking at a movie and you're like, okay fine, I want this Deepika Padukone wala look, So what is, if you would look at her carefully, there is a clear focus on her clothes, there's a clear focus on her jewelry, her accessories, her bags, her shoes. Everything is like kind of a teamed up look, you know, which is well balanced. The colors are well balanced, the accessories are well balanced. So this is how now women have also become. So a lot of them, they walk up and they say, make the entire look for us. You know, just not instead the outfit, create the entire look for us. You know, so it's easy for us to carry. So it becomes very easy because I'm a jewelry designer, curator as well. So I have everything at my store. If I make the dress, I know what jewelry will go with it, and I can easily help them out with that.
आपके हिसाब से कितना मायने रखता है ये सब? Like
बहुत मायने रखता है. See, life is short, and how you dress up every day makes a lot of it. Today, if I look good and I look into the mirror, it automatically gives me a good vibe, doesn't it?
Exactly.
I mean, the day you have actually done your hair well and your makeup well, and when you step out, there's a different kind of confidence in you. So it matters a lot. Doing anything for yourself matters a lot, I believe.
Okay. So आपके हिसाब से खूबसूरती, like what is the beauty, like किसको कहते हैं? Like खूबसूरत तो सभी लगना चाहते हैं, मैं भी लगना चाहती हूँ, सारा दुनिया लगना चाहती है.
You have to accept yourself to be comfortable in your own skin. I repeat this a lot of times, you know, because I think every woman is very different, and she has her own features, she has her own color, and she has her own body type, which everything together comes as a package, okay, and she has to accept that. Now the only thing what she should work on is how to take it forward, how to balance it with her own feminine nature. There are a lot of women who are trying to be like men these days, which is not necessary. You can be feminine and yet be firm. There is a lot of difference between being masculine and being firm. That particular thing, you need to just balance it. Apart from that, one thing is very important is, I believe most of the women are beautiful because they become eventually mothers or their sisters, and they are the ones who are actually caretakers, you know, they are the ones who are nurturers. So women as it is have a lot of love in their heart, you know, for people around them. So if we nurture that part of them well, keep them protected there, I think rest is all taken care of, you know, there's enough beauty in all of us.
So exactly viewers, जैसे पूजा खेमका मैम ने हमें बताया, खूबसूरती अंदर से है, सभी खूबसूरत है. हम एज ए माँ हम खूबसूरत है, एज ए बेटी हम खूबसूरत है, एज ए दोस्त हम खूबसूरत है. तो सारे लेडीज़ के अंदर ही एक खूबसूरत है. औरत बनना ही एक खूबसूरती है. इस वर्ड ही अपने आप में खूबसूरत सा वर्ड है. तो जैसे ही दिखते हो आप, अपने आप को कभी भी छोटा, ऐसा मैं खूबसूरत नहीं हूँ, ऐसा नहीं सोचना चाहिए. थोड़ा सा मेंटेन तो ऑब्वियसली करना चाहिए. जैसे पूजा जी ने हमें बताया, जब भी हम खूबसूरत दिखते हैं, थोड़ा अच्छा ड्रेस पहनते हैं. अच्छा ड्रेस मतलब ये नहीं कि हमेशा ब्रांडेड ड्रेस पहन के ही निकलो.
नहीं, of course, I will also come to it. So we do lot of street shopping as well. It's not like necessary that you have to always walk up to a designer and do, designer labels ka shopping and everything. Everything can look great, just that you need to know what to wear. What is your style element? Identify that and wear that.
So वही बात है, क्या पहनना चाहिए सिर्फ यही जानना है. Like फिर तो वैसे ही आप खूबसूरत हो, खूबसूरती और ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगी. सो मैम, मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ, सभी जानना चाहते हैं कि ये जो पर्टिकुलरली मैं बार बार आपको ज्वेलरी डिज़ाइनिंग के बारे में पूछ रही हूँ. यहाँ पर जैसे आप लोग देख सकते हैं कितने सारे डिज़ाइनिंग है मैम का किया हुआ. सो दिस इज़ ए वेरी ब्यूटीफुल नेक पीस. यहाँ पे सारे लगे हुए हैं, बहुत से खूबसूरत से है. यहाँ पे कुछ ईयररिंग्स भी है, आप देख सकते हो. सो ज्वेलरी डिज़ाइनिंग अगर कोई करना चाहे तो क्या क्या मतलब चाहिए उसके लिए, कैसे करें, क्या है? हाँ.
So there are a lot of institutes which are offering jewelry designing as on date, and definitely you can learn from the institute as to how to go about designing. You would know what kind of stones are available in the market, what stone will complement together. you know, the red and the greens, how they go well together, what colors would go together, the diamonds का कैसे आपको structures design करना है. So all of that you can learn, and then you can bring your own label. That is it. Or probably if you have an eye for detail, like I'm not a trained jewelry designer. Just because I have an eye for detail, I have a couple of jewelry designers working as interns with me, and who are working for my own label, and then we work together as a team. So depending either of the two ways, you can do it like that.
स्टूडेंट्स तो बहुत ईगरली जानना चाहेंगे व्हाट इज द फ्यूचर, लाइक ज्वेलरी डिजाइनिंग के बाद कैसे कैसे प्लेसमेंट मिल सकता है उनको.
A lot of placements. You can work with jewelers, you can have your own label, and then of course you can create designs and sell it to existing jewelry houses. There are lots and lots of opportunities that is there for today. A designer, see, designer is something who's a creative person, okay, and there is no dearth for job opportunities for anyone who is slightly creative also. This is something which is a God gifted thing, you know. Not everyone can be creative. That is why art forms are the most expensive stuff as on date. So each piece that you create is a kind of an art, and art is always valued.
Yes viewers, this is right, art is always valued. So अगर आप में वो जज्बा है, अगर आप भी कुछ ऐसे टाइप करना चाहते हैं, सो आप मैम से कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, हमारे यहाँ पे कमेंट बॉक्स पे लिख सकते हैं, हम आपको बताएंगे कैसे मैम तक पहुँचना है, कैसे उनसे बात करना है. सो अभी मैं जो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है जो जानना चाहती हूँ मैम से, वो ये बात है कि मैम जैसे कि अभी का सिचुएशन है, सो इट्स डिफ़िकल्ट, अब तो नॉर्मल हो जाएगा कुछ दिन के बाद, या फिर ठीक है सब निकल रहे हैं बाहर, फिर भी जो इतना दिन तक चल रहा है फैशन इंडस्ट्री कितना दूर तक अफेक्टेड हुआ?
I think the worst affected would be tourism, and the second worst affected is fashion industry. For the reason is, if you would naturally talk to a person, they would be like, हम लोग क्यों जाए डिज़ाइनर के पास, क्योंकि अभी तो हमें बाहर नहीं जाना है, हमें तो अभी कुछ पहनना नहीं है, हमें कुछ करना नहीं है, so why should we go to a designer? Fair enough, but then at least at home you can be well dressed. It can give a lot of mental peace to the people at home. You know, the woman, if she is well dressed at home, then what happens is the whole family is disciplined. The child knows that they have to get up ready and get dressed, and then they don't have to linger around in pajamas all day. The men know that they have to get ready and go to work. It totally depends on the women of the house, that she becomes a lady, and then the whole clan follows.
Okay. आपका जितना जैसे कि बिजी शेड्यूल होता है आपका, तो कुछ दिन से सभी घर पे आप भी है, तो कैसे आपने मैनेज किया इतना दिन आपका काम, लाइक घर से?
So when I was at home and complete lockdown था, of course the carigers weren't working and we were also shut down. I had tried to invest about a couple of hours in learning new things, and then of course I'm a spiritual person as well, so a lot of things went into meditations as well. So there was constructive period that I was able to use. Of course, now that I have help and all at home, not that I was cooking too much, but then here and there we learned a new thing in cooking also, and I had a very constructive lockdown. I was enjoying the peace because we've been always busy. So frankly, this time was very welcome, as in you be at home, relax, meditate, just be with your own self, and that is such a beautiful thing.
Well ma'am, I know personally you are a digitally very much active person. Yeah. So like in this lockdown period, have you done like digitally this type of things, like your selling process or advertisement?
Yeah, we go digitally live on my Instagram as Golden Window. You can follow us over there. So we do digital live programs with a couple of designers who were from Mumbai. Then we did digital live with nutritionist, digital marketing person, Prachi, all of it, and there is a better lineup coming in the coming weeks as well.
So how digitally everything is, like digital thing has some negative and positive sides also.
Of course.
So here today I don't want to know anything about negativity. Okay, so क्योंकि हम बहुत दिनों से ये ऐसे दौर से ही गुजर रहे हैं ना, negative. So please tell us what are the positive sides of this digitalizations.
So okay, fine. Right now, The best thing is there's a discipline which has come with business also. Men shut down work at a particular time and come back home, right? So a lot of people have been spending a lot of time on the screen. Okay, so there's everyone who's forever watching their Facebook or Instagram or Netflix or Amazon, name it, and people will talk about series. So that means there's a lot of screen time which has actually been there. If in this time you don't advertise for your work, if in this time you don't reach out to people, then when they get busy again, think about it. Once the thing normalizes, once we know how to live with COVID, people will get back to their normal self, and then will they spend this kind of time again on screen? So you have to really understand that right now digitalization with your work can really help you, and one must constructively, each business house much constructively use this period to grow their brand.
Okay, viewers, so every thing has some negative and positive sides, both the sides. So हमें अभी से पॉजिटिविटी के बारे में ही सोचना है. बहुत नेगेटिव बातें हो चुकी, नेगेटिव. सो अभी कुछ नहीं है. सो we will overcome this gloomy situation very soon. We have overcome already and we all are fighters. So life is going on very normally. So हम फिर से बातें करेंगे पूजा मैडम से, थोड़ा सा पर्सनल बातें. ओके, सो मैम कर सकते हैं ना थोड़ा सा पर्सनल बातें?
Yeah, sure, please go ahead and ask.
So with your permission, as you said, घर से काम कर रहे हैं आपके हस्बैंड, साढ़े कुछ. तो लाइक कैसा कुछ तो डिफरेंट फील हो रहा होगा ना, मतलब हमेशा बिजी, वो भी बिजी है, सब कुछ. आप फैमिली के साथ टाइम बिता रहे हैं, किड्स के साथ, तो कैसा कुछ तो डिफरेंट लग रहा है, कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
Well, it's nice to have family at home. You actually get, see, as a woman I'm talking, when you get married, what is your aim? You want to spend time with your family. You know, otherwise what is the point in coming to Guwahati all the way? I could have as well been in Coimbatore and be digitally connect with the entire people. But no, that's not the case. You want to spend time with your family.
Exactly.
So it's very nice and very welcoming. You're being with your father-in-law, your husband, and it's nice. It's very nice.
So लॉकडाउन पीरियड में सबसे ज़्यादा जो अच्छी बात है वही है, हम सारे फैमिली के साथ टाइम.
Then apart from that, we were able to make calls to people. In fact, I was able to get in touch with my friends who were in school and colleges, whom I had like kind of lost touch with, but then with video calling in place, all of them were in touch. So it was nice.
And viewers, one thing is very much interesting. ये लॉकडाउन पीरियड में हमारे अंदर की बहुत सारे जो कुछ चीज़ें थी हमको खुद ही नहीं पता था, वो सब चीज़ों को हमने एक्सप्लोर किया, बहुत सारी चीज़ों को. Right,
I know a lot of people have come up with so many talents.
Yeah, exactly.
Like finally we found so many singers, we finally found so many people who were into painting and a lot of other activities. That was so nice to see them creative.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So सब इसीलिए मैंने कहा, मतलब हर चीज़ का दो साइड्स होता है, पॉजिटिविटी एंड नेगेटिविटी, तो वही बात है. सो मैम, मैं ये फिर से आपसे जानना चाहती हूँ, लाइक फैशन इंडस्ट्री जो है, तो जो न्यू फैशन डिज़ाइनर्स आ रहे हैं, लाइक ऐसे आपने बताया कि यू आर फ्रॉम कोयम्बटूर, सो क्या डिफरेंस क्या है वहाँ के फैशन में, यहाँ के फैशन में? कुछ तो होगा ना थोड़ा सा?
Absolutely. So Coimbatore is an extremely modest people and people value their silks very much over there. Okay, so Kanjivaram is like something everyone can swear by over there. And apart from that, modest हैं बहुत कोयम्बटोर के लोग. They like simple clothes and बहुत ज़्यादा हाबी जाबी काम नहीं उनको चाहिए. They are like that. And over here, Guwahati में they are fashionistas, you know. Guwahati, I believe, will become a second Delhi soon. There's so many women over here who are so fashion conscious and fashion forward. So there's a lot of difference between Coimbatore and Guwahati, and it's a very beautiful mix. I mean, it's nice when I go back home, I can explore the simpler part of myself, and when I come back to Guwahati, the fashionista of myself. So it's nice.
आपने कभी ऐसा ट्राई किया है, लाइक कुछ ऑथेंटिक और कुछ जैसे फ्यूजन वर्क होता है ना, बहुत ज़्यादा हैपनिंग है, तो लाइक ऐसे कुछ आपने भी ट्राई किया है ऑथेंटिक के साथ, कुछ ट्रेडिशनल के साथ कुछ?
Yeah, we use a lot of Banarsi clothing for our Indo-Western styles. We've done a lot of drapes out of them. So that's very beautiful part of designing, to actually fuse the Indian weaving as well as with the Western, drapes and silhouettes. That's very nice.
ओके, दैट्स वेरी नाइस. हम दोबारा लाइक हमको भी मौका मिलेगा कि इस शो में हम दिखा पाए आपका
Definitely,
ये
probably I
fashion.
would share a couple of
Yeah,
images also.
sure. हम लोग इसके लिए इंतज़ार करेंगे आपका ड्रेस भी देख पाए. वैसे तो दर्शकों आप देख सकते हो मैम का ड्रेस. आप लिखेंगे हमें अपने कमेंट बॉक्स पे, हम बताएंगे कैसे मैम तो पहुंचना है आपको. मैम का डिज़ाइंस देखने के लिए, यूनिक डिज़ाइंस देखने के लिए. यहाँ पर भी कुछ सारे तो पॉसिबल नहीं है लाना. जो बेस्ट पार्ट है मैम का ज्वेलरी डिज़ाइंस यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले किया हुआ है, आप देखिए प्लीज़. सो मैम आप ये बताइए, लाइक इस लॉकडाउन पीरियड में जो घर से काम किया आपने, वर्क फ्रॉम होम, इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताइए. वर्क फ्रॉम होम कितना ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव रहा आपके लिए?
See, आपका efficiency definitely down होता है when you do work from home, because you don't have access to your entire things. But then what happens is, at least you are able to do some work, which is very important. 4 hours effectively if you given every day, in spite of all challenges, that's like a dedication, and that's very good. It's very constructive as well.
सो दर्शकों, हमने बहुत कुछ जाना है आज मैम से फैशन के बारे में. लाइक कैसे खूबसूरत दिखना है हमें, फिर भी मन नहीं भरा है ना, थोड़ा सा स्टाइलिंग टिप्स नहीं लिए बिना, राइट? ऐसे स्टाइलिंग आइकन हमारे सामने बैठी है और हम स्टाइलिंग टिप्स ना ले, होता है क्या? नहीं होता है. सो मैम थोड़ा सा 1-2 लाइन कुछ भी.
Identify, don't follow fashion trend. Identify what suits you. First is that don't follow fashion trend. Second, identify what suits you. Third is identify how you can look different in a simple outfit also. Maybe team up with some interesting accessories. Fourth is always be well groomed. Have your manicure, pedicure and your everything else done, because that actually adds a lot to your personality. The grooming shows. And invest into good accessories and labels. Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम. तो लाइक शो ख़त्म करने से पहले हम ये जानना चाहते हैं, जब सब कुछ फिर से वापस से पूरा नॉर्मल सिचुएशन में आएगा, एक्सेप्ट कोयम्बटूर, आप पहले कहाँ घूमने जाना चाहेंगे?
First is definitely Coimbatore,
Yeah,
and second
obviously,
is
that's why I'm saying.
second is me and my friends are planning to go to Pondicherry. We want to go to Auroville.
ओके, सो हम ये दिल से प्रे करते हैं कि मैम पौंडीचेरी बहुत जल्द जा पाए और आप सभी आपके जो ड्रीम डेस्टिनेशन हैं वहाँ पे घूमने जाए. सो दर्शकों,
Supporting Incredible India.
एग्जैक्टली सपोर्टिंग. थैंक यू सो मच इनक्रेडिबल इंडिया. सो मैं एक बार फिर से हमारे स्पॉन्सर्स को थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगी. इंडिया टूरिज्म, इनक्रेडिबल इंडिया, MGI ग्रुप, स्पेक्ट्रम एडवेंचर इज आवर नॉलेज पार्टनर, इल्यूमिस एस्थेटिक क्लिनिक, एवरीडे सॉल्ट, अमोलिक बुटीक बाय श्वेता बगारिया. सो दर्शकों, मैं आज के लिए इस शो के लिए आपसे विदा लेना चाहूँगी. तब तक सुरक्षित रहिए, हाथ धोते रहिए, मास्क पहनिए. गॉड ब्लेस. थैंक यू.
Thank you.
Welcome to Spectrum Adventures, an institution committed towards excellence in IITJ, NEET, AIMS and boards preparation. We offer courses for classes 11 and 12, repeaters and pre-foundation. We have a team blended with youth and experience, dedicated in nurturing young talents of Northeast. The administrative team maintains a special care unit for each and every student. We provide in-house hostel facilities. 4 years of hard work, constant dedication and support from my team, parents and teachers have helped me to start an educational revolution in Assam. Every year we have dominated in the results of NEET 2019 and JEE 2019 and is not an exception. This time, more than 55 selections have taken place out of 112 students, with Upasana Talukdar being the highest with 643 marks. Best team, best teachers and the entire dedication has helped us to grow to become the fastest coaching institute in Assam.
Welcome to Illumis Clinic. Look good, feel better. Illumis Clinic is Guwahati's first state-of-the-art aesthetic clinic located in the heart of Guwahati at ABC. Our services include cool sculpting, Exilis Elite, Botox and filler treatment, thread lifts, lasers and medifacials. Illumis Clinic was founded by Dr. Reema Das Malik in 2015 with the encouragement of her father-in-law late Bimal Chandra Malik and husband Dr. Saikat Malik, a laparoscopic surgeon himself at Narayana Hospital, Guwahati. Dr. Reema is a pioneer in bringing new technologies in the field of aesthetics in Northeast. She is a visiting faculty at Institute of Laser and Aesthetic Medicine, New Delhi and Allergan Medical Institute, Singapore. She has attended numerous trainings, seminars, conferences and workshops, both in India and outside, in the areas of aesthetics and cosmetology. She is the recipient of Dynamic Women Entrepreneur of the Year, Mumbai in 2016, Breakthrough Innovation in Modern Aesthetics and Skincare Practice, Mumbai in 2017, and Women Achievers Award, Guwahati in 2018 for significant contribution in the field of aesthetics and cosmetology by TV18 Group. Dr. Reema has worked hard to spread awareness about aesthetics across various industries and organizations in rural and urban areas in Northeast through organizing training programs and awareness campaigns. She has been the part of several talk shows in FM and news channels. She regularly writes articles in newspapers and magazines. She is associated with many beauty pageants in Northeast. The team at Illumis Clinic is proud to celebrate its 5th anniversary with you.